Hey everyone, welcome to Prep Shots 2.0, where students of VGSoM share their advice about how to ace the tough examination CAT. This time we have with us Akshunya Mishra from the batch of 21-23, who has scored a superb 99.55 percentile in the DILR section. Hey Akshunya, how are you doing? Hey
Hello,
Akshunya,
Sumit. How are you?
I am doing fine Akshunya, how are you?
I'm perfect.
Let's get started. We all know that the CAT examination is just around the corner. How would you advise the students to prepare for such a tough examination in the last few days?
I would say that preparation is something that is continuous. I believe that they have been preparing for the CAT for them at least for the last 3 months minimum. So coming to the last week preparation, I feel that it's best to focus on your strengths and it's the time of revision more than preparation at this point of time.
Great piece of advice. Akshun, I'm very curious to know what was your focus area while you were preparing for CAT? Did you have any favored sections of the paper?
Clearly, the favorite section was the DILR section. DILR is something that I have been preparing even before I started working during the college years. So, and solving puzzles have always been my strengths. So that really helped me a lot. But the strategy, when it comes to strategy, I would say it's mostly the do the mocks, because mocks are the ones that help the best when it comes to preparation for CAT.
Oh, awesome. Any advice on what the aspirants can do in the last few days to brush up on their DILR skills?
Yeah, sure. So for DILR, I would say that at this point of time, it is best to search for some puzzles, search for some numericals online, especially numerical patterns, common numerical patterns. You can search that, and you can write them down. Writing the patterns down will help best with memorization. And I believe that in a spontaneous exam like CAT, where timing is the most important, memorization will help you a lot in a section like DLR.
Absolutely. So, any few closing pieces of advice, any tips and tricks to ace the exam?
I would say CAT is more about how many you got right than how much you attempted. So I would say if there is a question you feel that you might have not gotten correct, it is better to not attempt it at all. Use that time to a question that you're sure that you will get correct. Again, CAT is all about how many you get correct. That is the most important, I believe. So all the best candidates with that advice.
Thanks a lot for chiming in here. I think your advice will help the aspirants a lot. And best wishes to all of them. Best of luck for the CAT examination. And with this, we come to the end of Prep Shots 2.0. It has been an exciting journey so far. Stay tuned for more content from us and watch out for the next upcoming series of videos. Thank you. Thank you for being an audience. Stay tuned. Thank you, everyone.